In this workflow, we will show how to import horizon from the survey import. There is 2D horizon from 2D seismic and 3D horizon from 3D seismic. There is as well the attribute 3D, which are surface data, and they are associated with the 2D or 3D grid. The possibility as well to use Petrel Direct if the data you are going to import are coming from Petrel. In this case, we will use we are going to import 3D horizon, single 3D horizon. The first thing is to select the location of the file we are going to import and to examine the file. This allows us to check the format, and the plus icon here is the to add to attributes surface data that we can load at the same time by giving a name. In this case, as you can see, there is no surface data within this file, so we can just cancel. We can see as well there is no header, and to define the format we open this window and just set the X and Y location. So the first column corresponds to X and the second column corresponds to Y, and the last to Z, which is the two-way time in milliseconds. This format can be saved, and if you have other files with similar format, you can just open this format and save time to reset again all the parameters. So we just OK, and we can scan the input file to check the format again, that it was read properly. That will give us from this window the XY and inline range, and we check that it makes sense to our data that we see here in the input file. After verification, we can close this window, and we provide specified name for the output horizon. By default, it picks the name from the file name. We can change that, and we can change as well the color here from this menu. And we just import and display after import. If we have other file with the similar format, we can keep this window open and just change the input of the ASCII file here and the output name. Otherwise, we just close the window, and the surface has been loaded, as you can see, and displayed in the 3D canvas. After the loading, we can QC the 3D surface from the 3D Surface Manager. And you can see here, this is the imported horizon, and we have the statistics related to inline, crossline, the area of interest. So we can close this window. This concludes our import horizon workflow.